Struggling to find the perfect angle for your tablet while working or watching videos? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, LISEN Foldable Tablet Stand. The LISEN Foldable Tablet Stand is a game changer for anyone needing a reliable tablet holder. Priced at just $13.53, its compact design caught my attention right away. If you want stability and portability for your iPad or tablet, this is worth a serious look. The anti-slip design ensures your device stays secure even during vigorous typing or tapping, which is crucial if you're using it for work or entertainment. With over 10,000 sold in the past month, it seems many people agree. And the adjustable height and angle mean you can always find the most comfortable viewing position. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to deal with that awkward neck strain anymore while binge-watching your favorite shows or working on that important presentation. Now, some have pointed out that the stand can be a bit heavy at 15.2 ounces, making it less than ideal for ultralight travel. But here's the thing, that weight contributes to its stability. If you're just tossing it in your bag for a day trip, this slight heft isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable stand for video calls or multitasking while working from home. But skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight for constant travel. At this price point, it's really a solid investment for your desktop setup. Now, if the weight of the LISEN bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, Lamicall Adjustable Tablet Stand. Next up is the Lamicall Adjustable Tablet Stand, which retails for $12.89. This stand is notable for its sleek design and versatility. If you want a lightweight and adjustable option, this one's definitely worthy of your attention. This stand supports tablets and phones from 4.7 to 13 inches, which means it's compatible with a vast array of devices, including the latest iPads and iPhones. What really stands out is its adjustable angle feature, allowing you to switch between vertical and horizontal viewing easily. This means you can set it up for gaming, watching videos, or even video calls, whatever you need. With a wide hook that can accommodate devices with cases up to 0.71 inches thick, it offers excellent stability. Here's why this matters. Whether you're working or just relaxing, you can always adjust it for the best comfort. Some users did mention that the stand might not feel as stable with larger tablets when positioned vertically. Now I get it, that could be a concern, especially if you're using a heavy tablet. But honestly, if you use it horizontally instead, you'll eliminate that issue completely. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible stand that adapts to your needs while at home or in the office. On the flip side, you might want to skip this if you frequently use larger tablets vertically. It's a great value for its price. Speaking of flexibility, the next product on our list offers an ergonomic design that's hard to beat. Product number 3, Tonmum Laptop Stand. Let's check out the Tonmum Laptop Stand, priced at $11.60. Although it's marketed for laptops, it serves tablets well too, and I was pleasantly surprised by its ergonomic features. If you prioritize comfort while working, this could be the stand for you. This stand can elevate your device from 2.78 inches to 6.5 inches, offering 7 different height levels. This is fantastic for maintaining good posture, reducing neck and back pain, a common issue for people who spend long hours in front of screens. The anti-slip silicone pads keep your device secure, which means you can have confidence while you type away. Also, its design allows for proper airflow, preventing overheating. Here's why that matters. A cool device means better performance, especially during long work sessions or gaming marathons. Now, I did find that some users wished it offered more color options. But honestly, if you're looking for functionality over fashion, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you work long hours at a desk or on the go and need an ergonomic solution. However, if you're after something specifically designed for travel, you might want to keep looking. It's an excellent value for the comfort it offers. Now, let's transition to a stand that's all about compactness and portability. Product number 4, UGREN Tablet Stand. Next on our list is the UGREN tablet stand priced at $12.89. This one caught my eye with its compact size and wide compatibility. If you want a portable stand that won't take up too much space, this is a solid pick. The UGREN stand accommodates tablets and phones up to 11 inches, including popular devices like the iPad and Galaxy tablets. It's lightweight and folds down to a pocket size, making it perfect for travel. You can adjust it to multiple angles from 15 degrees to 100 degrees, allowing you to find that perfect viewing position whether you're reading, browsing, or watching videos. It's sturdy enough to hold your device safely thanks to its silicone pads that prevent slipping. Here's why that's important. You won't have to worry about your tablet toppling over during an important video call. However, a few users mentioned that it might not be the best for larger devices or if you use a thick case. But I'll be real with you, if you're using it for a regular tablet without the bulk, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a lightweight, easy-to-use stand. But skip this if you frequently use larger devices or thicker cases. It's a great price for what you get. Alright, now on to our final product, which brings a whole new level of adjustability. Product number 5, Lamicall Adjustable iPad Stand. The last stand on our list is the Lamicall Adjustable iPad Stand, retailing for $12.24. Its ultra-slim design and 360 degrees rotation feature make it particularly appealing. If you want flexibility in your viewing options, this one's definitely worth considering. The heavy-duty base prevents tipping, so you can use it without fear of your device falling over. Plus, with the ability to adjust the height and tilt, you can easily switch between positions for maximum comfort. This is essential if you're multitasking or sharing your screen during meetings. The widened hooks fit devices with cases up to 0.75 inches thick, which is super convenient. Now, some users noted that the stand can wobble slightly at certain angles. But here's the thing, if you find your preferred angle and adjust it to be tight, that issue is largely resolved. This is perfect for you if you want an adjustable stand that can handle a variety of tasks. However, you might want to skip this if you're looking for something that remains rock solid at all angles. For the money, it's a fantastic option for anyone needing adaptability. Now, let's wrap things up and compare all these stands to help you decide which one is your best fit. To quickly recap, we've got the LISEN Foldable Tablet Stand, which excels in stability, the Lamicall Adjustable Tablet Stand for versatility, the Tonmum Laptop Stand for ergonomic comfort, the UGREN Tablet Stand for portability, and finally the Lamicall Adjustable iPad Stand for its flexibility. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the LISEN Foldable Tablet Stand because it delivers the stability and features you need for both work and play. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Tonmum Laptop Stand if you need a travel-specific solution. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.